In this video, I was just playing the edges on this balanced profile. We broke that poor low with the G period. So I entered as that H pulled back a little bit. I got to stop down under G. What I don't like about this trade is that the overnight low is right there. So I put that, I put this, the line for the stop down there below that to remind me that that's there. That's kind of what I'm talking about there, is that that's the one thing I don't like about this trade, is that they could easily come down and sweep that overnight low and come right back into balance. This trade took about 45 minutes. I sped it up to where it's only 7 minutes long. I wanted to make sure that I get this one posted because I kind of make a mistake and get focused. I get too focused on my ultimate target, which is breaking that poor high at the top. And I don't realize that it's starting to, not make it. A little bit later in the video, you'll see as we get up to that, as I take out my second target, it just grinds around there, and I should have been more aware of that. And I was just kind of blinded by wanting to get to that ultimate target. I didn't have time to get this one loaded yesterday. Like I said, I wanted to make sure I had it on here because I like to rewatch these, and especially videos like this where I can see myself make mistakes. Right there, I'm pointing out that G is my next goal that I want to get over. If we don't get over that G, then I'll get out of this trade. So I'll be thinking that they might try to push lower and maybe go for that overnight low. Right there, we broke over the G. This is where I start to make mistakes. Once I get to this halfback, I kind of put it on autopilot. I felt like, it was going. I didn't have any risk really. I thought for sure it was going to, get to that poor high. So I did take one of the contracts there at the poor high there. I'm sorry, at the halfback area. So now I only have 3 left. You can see my target for the second one just short of that value area high. Even here, it's grinding a little bit more than what I should have been comfortable with. I kind of went into an autopilot, like I said, where I just felt like I had the trade and it was going to go. So I think I kind of stopped monitoring it so closely. You can see it's working its way up to my second target. That's only reinforcing the idea right there. It took out my second target. That's only reinforcing the idea that I had the trade. We'd at least get up to that value area high. And I thought if we push that high, you can see I have other targets up there. I thought we'd come down around this halfback area, maybe the POC, and bounce from there. I even adjust one of the targets to be a little bit more reasonable at that, just over the value area high. I thought for sure we would get up to that point. And I just keep expecting a bounce here at the halfback. move that stop up. I figure I don't want to give up any more than that. Here we start pulling back. And again, I thought we would, come down, test this half back, test the POC. I think me even measuring it there shows you that I'm thinking about that upper goal, that big target, and not monitoring it the way that I should. I think if I would have been watching this after I seen it, not make it over that second target, I would have started to get skeptical. So here it starts pulling back. Same thing. I keep thinking there's going to be a bounce out of this area off that POC. Even here, I thought there was still a chance that it was going to bounce. It's kind of what I was expecting. And right about here, I start to realize that it's just not going to happen. Right there, I close it out.